power in the new fuel circ saw is just as good, if not more, than a corded saw.
With the fuel circ saw, I have no problem cutting anything that I would cut with a corded saw. It cut right through the LVLs, no problem. It didn't slow it down at all. I'll cut 2x4s with it all day long.
You just can't say enough about the power of it. I mean, when you're a carpenter, you're looking for power when you need it to cut. It's definitely got all the power it needs.
I just really like how it cuts fast and cuts straight. The new Milwaukee fuel circ saw is all about speed.
The new 12.0 battery lasts all day.
The 12.0 battery gives a tool plenty of power throughout the whole day.
The new fuel circ saw is very heavy duty, nice, compact, tight, strong, feels good in my hand. That's what we need out here.
Oh, it's heavy duty, it's great.
Changed the way we work big time. Well, you're not going to beat the power and the mobility of it. Definitely is the game changer.
Grab the saw and cut and go. I mean, you can't beat it.